Hey everyone, today I'm going to review this Philips Avent manual breast pump and this Philips natural response baby bottle. I've bought the size 2 in this, which is for 0 to 3 months. And yep, let's get into this video. Okay, so this bottle right here, it's compatible with all Philips bottle, the natural one, the anti-colic, the grow one. That means this bottle can also fix in this. So we're gonna check if that's the truth. And I've already opened the box, so just a minute, I'll show you how it looks like from the inside. Okay, right here I've removed some cardboard that was here to show you how it looks. This is the handle that comes that goes right over here so that we can pump. Okay, there are different parts, which is this. This is the cap, to like kind of close it so that no germs or anything go inside after use. And this is the silicone one to give that comfort, gentle touch to the breasts. Yeah, I've already opened it, so it's kind of okay. So yeah, this is the bottle. Here we have how many ml, and this is the bottle. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I had to pause the video. Okay, so this is the manual that's been given, which is way too big and a lot to read. So I don't know about that. Okay, so this is it. You have to fix it over here. You can see it goes right over here, if you see, right? And then it just kind of locks in there. Okay, it's pretty easy. I'm using it in one hand, so it's kind of hard. So yeah, so another product that we're gonna see is this Philips response. We have this cute bottle. It's so cute. Okay, it's so cute. It might not see cute in this video, but it's in you know in real life it is. It's so cute, and I'm happy that I bought this. Okay, Philips Avent bottle, which they say is compatible with this bottle. We can check that. Okay. Okay, so okay, here we go. I've removed that one, and this bottle goes in here. Oh, it fixed. Pretty easy, right? So now I have two bottles. I can buy this separately, so we'll see that in the future. So yeah, so this is it. uh, we have the bottle, we have the pump, everything is ready. The baby has to come for now. Yeah, let me fix it real quick. Okay, it was hard for me to do it in one hand, so I just paused the video. So yeah, you can see now it's pumping. You can hear the sound because there is this little tiny hole that is making the noise. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And the suction is really good and really soft because of the silicone that's inside here. And I'm loving this. I'm happy that I bought this. It's it's a bit expensive, but yeah, I think it's worth it. So go for it, guys. The manual breast pump and the natural response baby bottle. Here it is.